Hey guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and please ignore my candy in my mouth. Um, I think I caught a little cold, but I don't know how because I haven't been out much. Maybe the boys brought it home, and I have a stuffy nose, and I'm eating mint candy. It's kind of helpful. Anyways, please ignore the candy. For today's recipe, it is, I'm not sure if I can call this Hungarian. It's similar to Fasirt, which is meat patties, but I added rice, cooked rice, because I had leftover rice that I did not want to throw out. So yeah, it's inspired by Fasirt. Anyways, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. This is 800 grams of ground beef, lean ground beef with 2 eggs, 1 heaping teaspoon of chives, 1 heaping teaspoon of Idk paprika, paprika powder, sweet paprika powder, half heaping teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. Oops, there's a hair outside the container. Yikes! Lucky I spotted that. And 3 green onion, 1 heaping teaspoon of onion powder, and half heaping teaspoon of garlic powder. There you go. It's hard to find the word. And 3 pieces of bread that you're just gonna crumb it. This bread is the end, and the ends of a bread, and 1 slice of bread, 1 piece of bread, and we're just gonna mix this until completely combined. I almost forgot, we also add 2 heaping teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, which you can change to beef bouillon powder or adjusting maybe 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. And we're gonna add about 1 cup of cooked rice. Now just mash them with your hand. If you don't like using your hand, you can use spatula or gloves, covered hand, but we're gonna mix this until completely combined. So I have a little bit more leftover of rice. I added more than 1 cup, so I'm gonna add or crack 1 egg into the mixture just so that I can bind them better. You are only using 1 cup of rice, it's fine, but because I think it's about 1.5 cup for me, so I'm adding 1 more egg. And then we're gonna shape this mixture into patties, and then we're gonna roll it on breadcrumbs. Shape into a patties, shape round first, and then once you coat it on your breadcrumbs, this is Italian flavored, then you can kind of flatten it into patties and place it on aluminum foil lined pan like so. Now the patties are ready to be baked. Now we're gonna bake them for 20 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna flip them after 20 minutes. You flip them and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes. And this is how we served it.